Gang, welcome back to the channel. I am here at Walmart and I'm gonna get a couple things because I want to test out my revolver lineup on some watermelons. I am just really interested to see what they'll do. So let's go inside and see what, maybe not just watermelon, just see what it is we can pick up and just have a little bit of fun with. Come on. All right, we got watermelons. I don't see anything else pretty. I mean, you think I'm good enough to hit an apple? You think? Let's just stick to the plan. Let's get a few of these. Nice size. I got 3. I already have some in the truck, so we're gonna go out there and make it do what it do. I'm really, I mean, I guess we've already talked about what it is that we're gonna use, because we did speak about it. So we got the 44, we got the 357, and we got the 500. So we are going to compare them all and see what type of damage each one of them do to the watermelon. I'm pretty stoked about that. So don't go far and let's make it happen. Yo, look at these watermelons. Yo gang, welcome back. I am ready. First of all, I am at a safe location. I do have my hearing protection and I have my eye protection. There is nobody here. We are taking the most safe precautions while making this video. There are tons of, what are those? Love bugs everywhere, but they're okay. They don't bite. First thing first, I already said that. But YokGang, the website is live. You can go to YokGang.com and make the purchases of the YokGang merch on there. I got a t-shirt on there, and I also have the PVC YokGang logo gun bag patches. You definitely need to check them out. Stop by, support the channel, and everything that I receive on the actual website for the YokGang merch will definitely go back to the channel. I am working on some other special things to add on there, so don't miss out. Again, the website is YokGang.com. These love bugs, they are serious. Okay, well, here's the lineup. I got my Taurus, I got my Smith & Wesson, and I got my Ruger. We have already talked about all of these firearms and in a quick review, but I would love to compare them all because these are all of my my revolvers, and I would like to put them to the test. So I have my, first of all, they are clear. My Smith & Wesson 500 Alaskan. I got my Ruger. Oh no, I'm sorry. This is not the Alaskan. This is the Smith & Wesson 500. And I have my Alaskan. This is the Ruger Super Redhawk Alaskan. This is also clear. There's nothing in it. And of course, the Taurus. This is also clear. This is the more complicated one to open. There you go. So I have my crates. I'm going to set them up. And wait, did I talk about the ammunition? No, I didn't. Okay, I got the Federal Fusion 500 325 grain. Like I told you before, you got to get what you can get. And this was my option. I did want a heavier grain. I am still looking for it. We are going to run that back with something heavier to see if it'll defeat the YokGang, which I know it wouldn't, but all right. I got Defense Dynamics Fiocchi 44 Magnum. This one is 240 grains. Woo! Fiocchi. I don't know if you guys can see these or not, but they are wild. And I also have Fiocchi. This is 357 Magnum Fiocchi. We've shot this before. All right, as you can see, we got all the watermelons. I'm gonna set them up on these crates and we are gonna have some fun. All right, so we're gonna set up the crates. We're gonna put the watermelons on the crate and we're gonna shoot them. Take these out here. I wonder if the height of 2 would be fine, or the height of, oh, let's do 4, because I don't have that many. I hope they don't fall. All right, let me see if I can get the watermelon to stay on the crate. All right, let's see if it'll stay. It's gonna be good. Yeah, what's that? About 15 yards maybe? Let's do this. All right, so let me load up. And let's go. try the Taurus first. Let's try the Taurus first and see how this works out. Love bugs are killer. All right, we talked about, we know, hold on. Oh. All right, we already did a brief review on the Raging Hunter. It was a very fun shoot. It is clear, and I did enjoy this. So we are going to load her up and get started. Okay, so we got the Raging Hunter Taurus 357. It's loaded. Got my eyes and my ears. We got another set of tactical Crocs. All right, let's do this. All right, I did explain to you guys that I rather pulling back the hammer, single action instead of the double action, so that's how I'll be shooting. All right, guys, you ready? Oh, did I miss it? Little high. Empty. I don't know, I was under the impression like it was gonna blow up, but I mean, it's cool. I can let off a few more shots. Let me see, it smells amazing. It wasn't too much of a good watermelon anyway. Let me put, I think it's 6 in here. Let me put 6 more, see if we just knock it all the way out. All right. Empty. I don't have a speed loader. It's fine. I enjoy doing it manually. You know what? Let me try this one double action and see if I still don't like it. All right. Eyes. All right. Ready? Let's go. Finished. Not bad. Again, I tried to do it in double action. I'm just not comfortable. I rather pull back the hammer after every shot. My preference, I know I don't have to, but again, it's my preference. If you rather do that way while you're shooting, hey, I am not knocking you. I did try it, but I don't like it. All right. Now we're going for the Ruger Super Redhawk 44 Magnum Alaskan. We are shooting the Defense Dynamics Fiochi. So let's load this. This one has 6. Alright. Get my eyes. Ears. Let's go. Ready? One hitter quitter. That was great. I'm gonna pick that piece up and I'm gonna put it back up there. No, it busted completely. There was nothing left of it. Let me just get another one. All right, so that was destroyed after the first shot. .44 Magnum. Let's do it again. My hands are wet. Watermelon. Knock down the whole crate. All right. We're gonna try the 44 one more time. I think I might have been too close, and let's see what happens because it's literally destroying it fairly quickly. So let's see. All right. I opened the reel. So I don't know if there's one up next, but I'm gonna keep trying until it comes up. That's just it. This is extremely, extremely powerful. It is completely destroyed. Definitely let you in on a little secret at the end of this. All right, I need to get one more watermelon. They're pushed back pretty far. All right, maybe on the side. 44 Magnum Alaskan, definitely a hard hitter. Definitely, definitely. I love it. The Defense Dynamic is excellent. My goodness. Can you guys see these? All right, so I got my watermelon set up. We are gonna go in with the 500 and see what this does. All right, so up next is the real deal Smith & Wesson 500 with the Federal Fusion ammunition. So It's loaded. Let's see what this does. That was awesome. Let's do it again. So the first shot, it was awesome. Oh, I got another watermelon set up. I'm going to try it again. I'm going to step back a little further and let it run. Step back because I had a feeling that it was going to splash back. It didn't splash back too much, but I did feel it on my leg. So we're going to try from about right here. Smith & Wesson 500. Didn't cock it. Boom. One more time. I think I have one more watermelon left. Oy. All right, so we're going back again with the Smith & Wesson 500. Gonna step back a couple steps more and see what happens. All right here. These love bugs. All right. Amazing. All right. We know it was 325 grains. We know, but you gotta admit, she held that. She held it. Let me get rid of these. I don't have any more watermelons. I'm so sad that I don't. I would have loved to. Wait a minute. How did this happen? Oh, there it is. All right. Everything is clear. We got the Alaskan 44 Magnum. We got the Smith & Wesson 500. And we got the Taurus 357. Everybody performed beautifully. It was a load of fun. I know you guys see all these love bugs. Stick around while I wrap this up and we'll be right back. All right, yo gang, them love bugs was not letting me be great. I had to move, but it's okay. I hope you guys enjoyed my little revolver lineup of my 357 44 Magnum and my Smith & Wesson 500. Before we move on, again, like I was telling you guys earlier, my website is live. Go check it out. Support the channel. I would greatly appreciate it. All of the revenue that's coming in is definitely to make sure that we can produce more excellent content for you, bring you the latest and greatest of whatever it is out there. The hog hunts will get better. So it is in support of the Yoke Gang. I really, really do appreciate it. What else? Did I miss anything? Yoke Gang, of course, like I always tell y'all, I appreciate y'all so much. To my new watchers, if you are new to the channel and you enjoy what you see, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button with that bell so you will be notified when I do post new videos. Like, share, and comment. Yoke Gang, y'all know y'all mean everything to me. I love y'all. Peace. Go shop on YokGang.com.